If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with another video for y'all. And if you haven't read that title already, then we're going to be doing a cooking video. And I'm so excited. This will be my first time ever making lasagna. And I don't know why I've been so intimidated to make lasagna, but I've been craving it for like 2 weeks. And I'm finally making it today. I literally got started already, as you can see behind me. That is my meat and pasta sauce. So yeah, I literally just hopped right on into it. I literally was so freaking hungry. I had not eaten all day and it is going on 11 p.m. So yeah, I just hopped right into it and we're gonna do this quick fast in a hurry. But I'm really excited to be making lasagna for the first time. I don't know why I was so intimidated when really it's just spaghetti in a different font.
I can feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in a strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up, that's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your loony ass niggas. Straight bells for your toonie ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like an ounce. Right quick. Tight jeans on, so you feel my shit. Tell me something good, baby. Tell me something good, shout it. Come bring it to the hood, baby. Bring it back to the hood, shout it. If you start to feel like in the nighttime, bust it up for shorty when the light shine. Still fucking with your lame ass, nigga. I know you wanna break from Toronto. West side.
Factual, prissy in the streets, but I fuck like an animal. All you hoes know who the fuck I am. From your boyfriend down to my Instagram, to all them busted ass hoes that you kiki with. I bet your jaw drop if you ever see me, bitch. I'm her. She. Take a pic, it's me. Tell your friends this her. Bitch, you too do, and whatever that is, I'ma do it better.
So let's go ahead and get ready to put together our lasagna. I already did like the noodles and the sauce. I just need to like put it together now so that I can put it in the oven.
So just see me in it playing catch up. Bitches looking like Lil Megan's playing dress up. Would I ever spin the block on a nigga? Never. I don't even wear an outfit twice. That dumb any bitch got a problem, probably never. Let them tell her, hey, the kids both cheeks child. Bella, but I'm used to the chatter cause I'm her. She take a pic, it's me. Tell your friends this her. All this hate giving me a pretty face. I eat hate, that's why I ain't gotta waste. The more hoes hate, more money I'ma make. And the more niggas talk, more niggas wanna take. Cause I'm the most sickening hoe, so fucking sick of me. No matter what they do or say, it ain't no getting rid of me. I come in every room and draw attention like a centipede. Stepping for a long time, moving like a centipede. I ain't scared of shit, man or a bitch. To everybody hating, y'all can suck this clip. Cause the hate campaign ain't working at all. I ain't Jack or Jill, bitch, I ain't gon' fall. I'm her. She take a pic, it's me. Tell your friends this her.
Hey yo, I was on the plane with the wine. You could call me Whitley, I go to hell, man. Listen, the baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. When you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with Bass, I was pushing a Frankie. These bitches so cranky, give them a hanky. My mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than a kite, I get higher than a pencil. Keep the snow white, I can buy it by the bundle. Fuck your cookies up before they crumble. Won't be acting like the Cardinals gon' bum. Oh, cause I'm a stealer. Fresh it up the dealer. All the dope boys gon' feel her. Flow so sick, I need a healer. Focus my mouth, concealer. I be out in phase, I'm a before week, weavers, I'm a big deal. That's why I get more head than a big tail. Put the bench, I'm getting the money chase. I think I have a rock bitch from my untried. You think the niggas spit, shame my shoes. You know I keep a bad bitch, let me sing your boo. I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. I mean the only thing hopping like a can of brew. Listen, you should buy your 16 cause I write it good. The 808 woof woof cause I write it good. And bitches can't find a man cause I write it good. I'm no old river that I writing hard. I write it good. The 808 woof woof cause I write it good. And bitches can't find a man cause I write it good. I'm no old river that I writing hard. See it, piggy in the market. Give that bitch a quarter and it pop till the pocket. I don't fuck with pigs like assalamu alaikum. I'll put them in the field, I let that Samaya Baker. And if you see it, itty bitty piggy in the market. Give that bitch a quarter in the cart till I park it. I don't fuck with pigs like assalamu alaikum. I'll put them in the field and I let that Samaya.
Okay, so we're finally done making the lasagna and it looks pretty good. I wish I could have got more of an aesthetic cut, but overall it looks really, really good. I'm going to give it a taste test, but I do have a full pan of it as well. Okay, so for my first time, not bad at all. But like I said, it's just like spaghetti, but in a different font. So I definitely think it was pretty easy to make, but the assembly process can be like really, really hard. I definitely think mine need a little bit more sauce. So I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. But if it was a little bit more saucier, it would have been like 10 out of 10. Like, the way that it's seasoned, like everything is really good to perfection, and the cheeses are there for sure, but I definitely think it needs a little bit more sauce in between the layers. So yeah, I definitely should have added a little bit more sauce, but I'm going to go enjoy my food. That's my lasagna recipe. I definitely want to try to make this again because it was my first time. Definitely want to tweak it and add some more sauce, but make sure you turn on your post notification bell so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to be more active on there as well. But I'll see you in my next video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'll see you. I love you guys.